I honestly can't imagine having to shed a lot of money on a gun that I thought was the best and had everything I needed. You know, that perfect fairy tale of two lovers, just that this time it's me and my gun, to find out that it wasn't just worth the effort. It wasn't worth my money, which is very hard to come by these days if you didn't know. There's nothing like a perfect revolver. It just doesn't exist. But there are revolvers that make you feel like you've gotten the right one. What makes most of us gun lovers skeptical about splashing the cash on a gun we think is great is that we're not particularly sure if it certainly is. It's not so much the price that deters us, but the fear that we might end up spending so much money on a gun that it's just not worth it. So to help overcome these what-ifs, we've compiled a list of 7 revolvers worth your every penny in 2024. If you're a fan of revolvers or are looking to get one, you certainly want to take advantage of this. Oh, and to add, you'll also love the fun fact we have to share with you in this video. And now that you know, you can't miss this. Let's get started. The Ruger LCR is a more modern, lightweight, and compact revolver designed by Sturm, Ruger & Co., first introduced in January 2009. It's known for its lightweight design and compact size, which makes it a great choice for concealed carry and personal defense. The LCR features a monolithic frame made from aerospace-grade 7000 series aluminum in models chambered for 22 LR, 22 Magnum, and 38 Special. In contrast, the more powerful revolvers, such as the .357 Magnum and 9mm Luger, utilize 400 series stainless steel for enhanced durability. One of the standout features of the LCR is its patented friction-reducing cam, which contributes to a smoother trigger pull and improved fire control. It's designed for double-action operation, which permits quick follow-up shots. It typically has a 5-round capacity, a characteristic of a compact yet effective revolver for self-defense situations. The lightweight design and constant force trigger mechanism help mitigate recoil, making it easier to handle, especially for new shooters, and this revolver costs around $600. Let's talk about one of the most unique and innovative revolvers on the market, the Chiappa Rhino. This unusual revolver stands out from the crowd with its sleek, futuristic design and a barrel that's positioned at the bottom of the cylinder instead of the top. The lower barrel design reduces recoil significantly, making it a pleasure to shoot even in larger calibers like the .357 Magnum. I can tell you that shooting the Chiappa Rhino was a real eye-opener. I've shot my fair share of revolvers over the years, but this one was different. The smooth trigger, the unique design, and the ergonomic grip all combined to create an unforgettable shooting experience. The lower barrel access was especially noticeable. It felt like I was shooting a laser beam instead of a gun. Recoil was almost non-existent, making hitting my target much easier and more fun. After a few rounds with the Rhino, I started to appreciate the double-action trigger. It was smooth and responsive, making follow-up shots feel almost effortless. This would be a huge advantage in any self-defense situation. Buying this revolver would cost you anywhere around $1,500. Massive is the word to use to describe this revolver. It's a force to be reckoned with, boasting a large frame and a powerful design that's sure to make an impression. The BFR stands for Big Frame Revolver, and that's exactly what it is, big. This revolver is available in several powerful calibers, including the 460 S&W Magnum and 500 S&W Magnum, and popular rifle cartridges like the 45-70 Government. With a variety of caliber options, this revolver is perfect for hunting or target shooting, with the power to take down even the toughest games. The BFR's heavy barrel and adjustable sights provide exceptional accuracy, which makes it a great choice for long-range shooting. The trigger is also smooth and consistent, providing an excellent shooting experience for you. The BFR is known for its soft shooting characteristics despite its size and power, making it suitable for various shooting applications. Its design allows for effective recoil management, which enhances the shooting experience. Talking about price point, the Magnum Research BFR costs $1,200 for the base model, but for what it's worth, it's not too expensive. Fun fact: did you know that the world record for the fastest time to draw, fire, and hit a target with a revolver belongs to a modern-day gunslinger named Jerry Michalik? In 2014, Jerry achieved an astonishing speed of 0.208 seconds using a Colt 45 single-action revolver. That's faster than the blink of an eye. This incredible feat showcases the precision and skill that can be achieved with revolvers, demonstrating the continued relevance and appeal of these classic firearms in the modern era. So the next time you practice your quick draw skills, remember Jerry's record-breaking performance and let it inspire you to push your revolver mastery to new heights. When talking about revolvers that are totally worth the price tag, the Smith & Wesson 686 Plus has to be on the list, and it's not even hard to see why. This revolver is the epitome of modern gun technology with innovative features that set it apart from the competition. The 686 design is timeless and elegant, with a sleek stainless steel finish and a comfortable grip. The trigger pull is smooth and light, allowing for precise, accurate shots. With its 7-round capacity and a variety of 3, 4, and 6-inch barrels, the 686 strikes a perfect balance between concealability and accuracy. Smith & Wesson 686 Plus isn't just a pretty face though. I've had the pleasure of shooting the Smith & Wesson 686 Plus, and I can tell you, it was love at first sight. The accuracy was spot on, even at longer ranges, and the trigger, oh man, that trigger. It was like shooting a hot knife through butter. Every shot felt smooth and controlled. The price of this revolver is $900. Red dot sights are more commonly found on pistols, but the Taurus Defender 605 Toro is one of the first 357 Magnum revolvers that's red dot ready, and that helps it to provide enhanced accuracy and in rapid target acquisition. What that means is that this revolver would take the accuracy of a revolver to a whole new level. That's impressive. The replaceable front sight allows you to tailor the revolver to your preferences and shooting needs. With a 5-round capacity, the Defender 605 Toro offers ample firepower for self-defense scenarios and boasts an all-steel construction and a stainless steel cylinder, ensuring durability and reliability. You can comfortably say that you have a revolver that will serve you for years. This isn't to say that this revolver has no downsides, but there are just a few. The pros are much more numerous than the cons. As for its price, the Taurus Defender 605 Toro costs around $460 to purchase, of course, depending on your location and the retailer you're buying from. Quality is one key ingredient you must consider before buying a revolver, and the Kimber K6xs passes that test by miles. It's a high-quality, compact 357 Magnum revolver that was designed for concealed carry and self-defense purposes. If you've had any experience using this revolver, then you'll agree with me when I say that you won't have any problem trying to conceal this gun. It's a bonus. Having this revolver means whatever concerns your safety and self-defense being sorted out, and it does so with ease. It features an alloy frame and cylinder that keeps the overall weight down to just 23 ounces, which makes it a breeze to carry and handle. The trigger is designed to have a smooth, consistent double-action pull, improving accuracy and control. Despite its size and weight, it provides more firepower than many other compact revolvers. This revolver costs around $600 depending on the retailer and any customizations. At that price, it's a top-of-the-line compact 357 Magnum revolver that offers excellent performance, reliability, and concealability. That's it for this video. As we've explored the top 7 revolvers that are worth every penny in 2024, it's clear that these wheel guns have something to offer. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more of the same, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you won't miss out. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up before you go, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.